Ghost here, stripping down a SKS. Stripping down an SKS. This one's Russian. I already started sanding it down. Got a couple of chips in it.
Couple chips?
That's right. He had some chips in it. And she kept the commie star.
I like chips.
Not that kind of chips. And then I gotta re-oil it, pull the dents. Get this off. Fill that. That's pretty nice. Yeah, hold on, kid. It's a nice SKS stock. You see how it looks when I start doing the refinish with the oil. Yeah, so you get caught everything I said. And this is a Russian SKS stock. Russian. Very good. Russian SKS stock.
There's a Russian. For the Russian.
Alright, so posted a bunch of videos how to do these refinishes. This is a Russian, the Russian Tula SKS stock. It's been sanded down, imperfections taken out, and it's got its first coat of tung oil on it right now. See, it's popping that commie star. Brought all the grain out of this real nice. Now all I gotta do is finish when this is done, repair this little chip. Pulled it out as much as I can. I'm gonna have to fill it. And then the upper handguard's basically done. Obviously I'm gonna keep hitting this with polyurethane with tung oil. I also had to fix a crack on the inside here. So I'm gonna pin that crack. It's already been glued, but I'm gonna pin it too. So yeah, here's what a Russian SKS stock looks like when it's almost finished. I got to keep going with the tung oil, and then either I'll shellac it or poly it. Ghost out.